Welcome in on this Thursday afternoon. I'm Kristen Strakalitis. Rising gasoline prices are causing rideshare companies to increase fares. More on that in a moment. But we'll begin with Maserati. The Stellantis-owned Italian luxury brand is going fully electric by 2030. And Maserati says that all of its models will offer a battery electric version by 2025. The plan is part of the Stellantis Dare Forward 2030 strategy that was unveiled earlier this month. The first of the EVs will come next year. The Gran Turismo Coupe and its convertible counterpart will both get battery-powered variants. The upcoming Gray Cali crossover will also get an electric powertrain next year. Maserati says it will set performance innovation benchmarks in every market and every segment in which it competes. In other news, UAW President Ray Curry has been cleared of wrongdoing in an ethics probe. The investigation centered around pricey college football tickets given to Curry by a vendor in 2017. The incident occurred before he was president of the union. Curry voluntarily repaid $1,900, the value of the tickets. However, UAW officials have updated an internal policy that now prohibit it from entering into contracts that include the provision of tickets to entertainment and sporting events. Volkswagen Group will ramp up production at its main plants in Wolfsburg, Germany, starting next week. That after a 2-week pause caused by parts shortages due to Russia's invasion of Ukraine. However, output will be limited and some models will remain at reduced levels for the rest of the month. Meanwhile, production will stay idled at 2 other factories in Germany where VW builds electric models. The automaker says the restart of those factories will occur in early April. The main reason for the downtime is a lack of wire harnesses that are made in Ukraine. Autonomous trucking startup TuSimple is reportedly looking to sell its business in China and focus on the U.S. market. The decision comes after the company reached an agreement with the U.S. government to restrict the China unit's access to data due to U.S. security concerns. TuSimple operates about 100 Level 4 autonomous semi-trucks with about 25 located in China. Sources telling Reuters that the company hopes to sell the China unit for up to $1 billion. Lyft is adding a fuel surcharge for most rides in the U.S. The move is being made to cushion the impact of high gas prices on drivers. All riders, except those in New York and Nevada, will be charged an extra 55 cents for their commute. The surcharge starts next week and will run at least 60 days. Uber has made a similar move, charging riders either 45 cents or 55 cents extra for each trip. And Audi is expanding its EV lineup. The automaker showing off the A6 Advanced e-tron concept today. The spacious battery electric station wagon is based on the PPE platform it is developing with Porsche. It is unclear if the vehicle will be sold in the U.S. That is our time for today. Don't forget, First Shift comes your way every morning right here on AUTONEWS.com. We'll see you then.